What if I told you one tiny change in your hand position could completely change your results? Bigger arms, a stronger back, or make the exercise much easier. Most people think pull-ups and chin-ups are basically the same exercise. But they're not. What if the difference is much bigger than you think? Imagine two people hanging from the exact same bar. They weigh the same. They're equally strong. But one uses an overhand grip, and the other uses an underhand grip. And guess who performs more reps? The athlete doing chin-ups. The athlete. And the reason has nothing to do with being stronger. It's all about leverage. Let's talk about pull-ups. In a pull-up, your palms face away from you. This position forces your back muscles to work harder, especially your traps, rhomboids.
This is why pull-ups are considered the ultimate upper body strength test. Now let's look at chin-ups.
One simple hand change, but a huge difference. Now your biceps can help much more. Your forearms work harder too, and your body becomes more efficient. Think of it like adding another engine to a car. That's why beginners often master chin-ups first. But here's the biggest myth. Most people think pull-ups are only for your back, and chin-ups are only for your arms. Both exercise helps the truth. The biggest muscles in your back. The real difference is muscle assistance. Pull-ups reduce bicep involvement. Chin-ups increase bicep involvement. So both build a strong back. One simply recruits your arms more. And that's a huge distinction. Now let's answer a question almost everyone asks. Why do pull-ups feel so much harder? Most people think it's because they're advanced, but that's not the real reason. The answer is leverage. When your palms face away, your biceps lose a major advantage. It's like lifting with one helper missing. Now your lats must work harder. Your grip must fight harder. So which one builds more muscle? If your goal is bigger arms, chin-ups usually win. If your goal is a stronger upper back, pull-ups have the edge. But here's what elite athletes know.
They don't choose one, they use both. That's the commitment it takes. Keep pushing your limits every single day.